How to store renewable energy efficiently for commercial use. Solar panels on the roof. Wind turbines spinning nearby. But what happens when the sun sets or the wind stops? If you can't store that energy, you're wasting power and profits. Let's talk about how to store renewable energy efficiently so your business never skips a beat. Renewable energy is only as good as your ability to store and use it when needed. For commercial facilities, that means having a reliable system that captures excess energy and releases it when production dips or demand spikes. The most common solution? Battery Energy Storage Systems, BESS. These systems store electricity generated by solar or wind and deliver it back when needed. For businesses, lithium-ion batteries are a top choice due to their high energy density and fast discharge rates. But there's more than one option. Thermal energy storage is ideal for HVAC-heavy operations, storing energy as heat or cold during off-peak hours and releasing it later to reduce energy bills. Hydrogen fuel cells offer a cutting-edge alternative. Excess renewable power can electrolyze water into hydrogen, which is stored and later used to generate electricity on demand, especially useful for large-scale or remote operations. Flywheel systems and pumped hydro storage are also emerging in specific industrial setups, offering long-duration solutions with minimal environmental impact. Smart software is the secret weapon. AI-powered systems track consumption, weather forecasts, and pricing to determine exactly when to store or release energy, maximizing efficiency and savings. Storing renewable energy isn't just a backup plan, it's your business's power strategy. The future of clean energy is continuous, efficient, and in your control. So ask yourself, are you just producing energy or are you mastering it? If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel and see you on the next video. Thank you.